The invisible weight. Why you're always tired and bloated. Do you often feel a persistent drag, a mental fog that just won't lift, or that uncomfortable, perpetual bloating? You're not alone. Many of us grapple with these daily struggles, often dismissing them as just part of life or the inevitable march of age. But what if these seemingly unrelated symptoms are actually whispering a deeper truth about your internal world? The gut-hormone connection, a silent struggle. The truth is, your energy levels, your mood, and even your hormonal balance are intimately tied to one often overlooked hero, your gut. When your digestive system isn't functioning optimally, it's not just about discomfort. It can trigger a cascade of issues, including chronic inflammation and impaired nutrient absorption, which directly impacts your endocrine system. Your gut and hormones are in constant communication, and when this dialogue breaks down, you feel it across your entire body. Digestion's dance, enzymes and the microbiome. Let's zoom in on the biological mechanism. Proper digestion is a symphony of enzymes and a thriving gut microbiome. Enzymes, like tiny biological scissors, break down your food into absorbable nutrients. Meanwhile, trillions of beneficial bacteria, your gut microbiome, convert fiber into vital compounds, influencing everything from immunity to brain health. When this delicate ecosystem is disrupted, your body struggles to extract what it needs, and inflammation can take hold. Inflammation, the hormone disruptor. Chronic inflammation isn't just about pain, it's a profound hormone disruptor. Imagine inflammation as a widespread fire within your body, consuming the resources needed for hormone production and signaling. It can interfere with insulin sensitivity, disrupt thyroid function, and even throw off crucial reproductive hormones. This internal chaos can leave you feeling exhausted, irritable, and out of sync. Introducing Hing, the ancient biochemistry of Asafoetida. But what if an ancient, often misunderstood spice holds a key to rekindling your digestive harmony and supporting your hormonal balance? Meet Asafoetida, affectionately known as Hing. This pungent oleogum resin, used for centuries in traditional Ayurvedic and Persian medicine, is far more than just a flavor enhancer. The powerhouse compounds, ferulic acid and coumarins. Hing's profound effects stem from its unique blend of bioactive compounds, particularly ferulic acid and sesquiterpene coumarins. These phytochemicals are the unsung heroes, working behind the scenes to orchestrate a symphony of physiological benefits. They are what give Hing its ancient biochemistry, interacting with your body at a cellular level. Digestive dynamo, enzymes unleashed. One of Hing's most impressive actions is its ability to act as a digestive stimulant. It significantly boosts the secretion of crucial digestive enzymes, including salivary amylase and those from your pancreas and small intestine. It also enhances bile flow, which is essential for breaking down dietary fats. This means more efficient digestion, less undigested food fermenting, and a dramatic reduction in bloating and gas. Gut Guardian, calming the storm within. Hing isn't just about breaking down food, it's a guardian for your gut lining. Its potent anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties help soothe the intestinal tract, reducing painful cramps and spasms. Emerging research also highlights its role in modulating your gut microbiome, encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria and potentially reducing harmful strains, fostering a healthier gut environment. Hormone harmony, an indirect yet powerful ally. While not a direct hormonal treatment, Hing offers powerful indirect support. By reducing systemic inflammation, optimizing metabolic functions, and nurturing a healthy gut, it creates an internal environment where your hormones can thrive. This cascade of benefits can gently support conditions like PCOS, ease menstrual discomfort by aiding progesterone secretion and reducing cramps, and even help regulate stress hormones like cortisol. Your Hing Protocol, culinary integration for wellness. So, how can you invite this ancient powerhouse into your modern kitchen? Hing is incredibly potent, so a little goes a long way. Always cook it in oil or ghee to mellow its pungent aroma and unlock its full flavor and benefits. A tiny pinch, about 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon, is usually sufficient for a whole dish. maximizing benefits, pairings, and daily habits. For maximum impact, integrate Hing into dishes featuring legumes, lentils, or cruciferous vegetables to counteract their gas-producing tendencies. You can also mix a tiny pinch with warm water or buttermilk before meals to kickstart digestion. Remember, consistency is key. Pair Hing with a whole foods diet rich in fiber and stay hydrated to amplify its digestive and hormonal balancing effects. Embrace the ancient, transform your health. Hing is more than just a spice, it's a bridge to ancient wisdom, offering a holistic path to better health. By understanding and embracing its unique biochemistry, you can unlock its potential to calm your digestive system, support your hormones, and reclaim your vibrant energy. It's time to taste the tradition, feel the science, and transform your well-being, one pinch of Hing at a time. What ancient secrets will you rediscover next?